Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool mixer right here, and basically what this is a Poo-Pourri. So basically what this product is for is so that you guys actually spray this into your toilet to make sure it smells good and make sure it's clean before you guys go for your number 2. So basically how you guys use the product is that you guys want to spray this into your toilet before you guys go on your number 2. And once you guys finish going on your number 2, you shouldn't smell anything afterward. So for this product, actually comes in many different sizes. So they have like a 2 fluid ounce, they have like 1 fluid ounce, and right here we have the 4 fluid ounce. The one that I've been using almost every day is a 2 fluid ounce, which is what I'll show you guys in a second. But first thing first, I'm going to open up the wrapper right here to show you guys what the bottle looks like for the 4 ounce first. Alright, so this is basically what the bottle looks like for the 4 fluid ounce one, if you guys can see. If you guys see in the bottle right here, it says before you go toilet spray, and this is the lavender vanilla. And they mention how you guys can use it up to 200 times for this bottle right here. And obviously for this product, they have it in many other scents. But the one that we got right here, it is the lavender vanilla. And I actually really like this scent a lot more than the other ones that they have. So if you guys never used one of these products before, you definitely want to try it out for yourself to see what actually works. The first time that I heard about this and saw this product, I actually did not believe my friend when they told me that actually does work. So I had to test it out for myself to see what actually works. And ever since then, I've been using it every single time when I go on my number 2. And it's literally been like a lifesaver, so I don't smell anything before, during, and after I go on my number 2. So literally all you're gonna do is open up the cap right here and just spray it onto your toilet. So depending on how bad your number 2 is, if you guys are having like diarrhea or something, you probably want to spray a little bit more. But if you guys are just going casually for your daily number 2s, you can probably do like 1 or 2 sprays and it should be enough. But I'm actually bring this over to the toilet to show you guys how to use the product again, and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we're at the 4 fluid ounce, and right here we're at the 2 fluid ounce. This is one I've been using almost every day, and it's been working really well. I used a good amount of this bottle already, so that's why I decided to get a bigger one, so that way I have more to use. Because for the 2 fluid ounce right here can give you guys 100 sprays, whereas the 4 fluid ounce can give you guys up to 200 sprays. But let's test it out to show you guys how it works. So all you guys need to do is to open up the cap. You basically just want to spray it 1 time into the toilet, so just like this. So 1 spray, it should be enough. Unless you guys have like diarrhea or something, then you probably want to spray it more than 1 time. Maybe like 3 or 4 times. And then once you guys are done, you guys want to close up the lid. And then you guys are ready to go for your number 2. So basically right now, I can already smell that strong lavender vanilla scent. And even like during and after, you can definitely smell as well, because of how strong the actual formula or whatever they use on the actual product to make it smell really good, to prevent any kind of like odor or that smell from your number 2 to go all over the room. So this is basically what the product looks like and how to use it. Obviously you guys cannot really see or actually smell the result, but when you guys actually use it yourself and actually try it out, then you will see what I mean. Welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product and definitely see that actually does work and it's quite well. Obviously it'll be a little bit hard for you guys to see and smell whether it actually works or not. But like I mentioned earlier, I do recommend you guys try it for yourself and you would definitely see the result like instantly. And I feel like once you guys use the product, you would never stop using it because it actually works really well. I feel like these actually work a lot better than like the Febreze air freshener sprays and etc. And for this product, it's actually safe for you guys to use as well. So there's like no harmful chemicals or anything, which is pretty awesome. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing our product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys go on number 2s a lot, or if you guys know your number 2 stinks. They definitely want to get one of these so that way you guys don't have to worry about the smell ever again. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.